Tired of being tethered to expensive phone plans? Let's ditch the big carriers and get you connected with Mint Mobile on your Android device in just a few simple steps. First up, grab your Mint Mobile SIM card. You should have received this in the mail. Power off your Android phone completely to avoid any issues during installation. Locate the SIM card tray on your phone. Insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole next to the tray. Gently push until the tray pops out. Remove the old SIM card, if there is one, and insert your Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray. Make sure it's oriented correctly. Carefully slide the SIM tray back into your phone until it clicks into place. Now, power on your Android phone. Once your phone boots up, you may see the Mint Mobile network automatically. If not, go to your phone settings app. Tap on Settings, scroll down and find the option for Mobile Network. Then tap on Access Point Names and select Add to create a new APN. For name, enter Mint Mobile. For APN, enter Wholesale. Save the settings. Select the Mint Mobile APN you just created. Head over to mintmobile.com. Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once activated, you should be able to make calls, send texts, and use data. Congratulations! You are now up and running with Mint Mobile.